Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Oozaru Zamasu. No wait, I'm going to show you how to draw Zamasu when he's in his Oozaru form. Well, I know what you're thinking. Why am I drawing this? Well, I saw it in a video game once, but it would be a great idea to show you it. You probably already noticed, but Saiyans, they take on this form. It's called a Great Ape, and it only works when you look at the moon, when your eyes turn all red, and you grow hairy, and it turns you into a giant monster. And the only problem is you're not able to control that power. Well, not yet anyway. But anyways, you get the idea. So, anyways, I know what you're... Why am I drawing this exactly? Allow me to explain. You see Oozaru, Zamasu. You see when Zamasu and Goku Black fused, they became a deity unlike any other. It was a Supreme Kai merged with a Saiyan. Except they both had the same mind, which was kind of exciting, actually. I thought that when Zamasu and Goku Black merged, they would fuse into a being that, they would fuse and gain all of Goku's abilities. Like how to turn into a Super Saiyan 3, Super Saiyan 4, and, especially learning Ultra Instinct. One of the strongest forms. But, we never exactly got to see that in the show. And, all those forms of Zamasu, they were, actually, they were just, Dragonball Xenoverse 2 exclusive characters. So, we never got to see him in the show. Big apologies for those who never saw that happen, and, blame, Toy Animation for their lousy writing. And, convince them to draw their story. I wanted to see all their forms. Anyways, to draw Oozaru, you've seen me draw his Super Saiyan hair. And, next up, you just gotta draw his teeth. And, this is the form of Oozaru if Zamasu looks at the moon, and if he still had his tail, he'd manage to transform into a Great Ape. Which is kind of odd, actually. It'd be awesome to see Zamasu master all of Goku's transformations in one go. Same's true for Vegito, if he ever became a Great Ape, which I'll be drawing real soon. Anyways, here's his Goku Black, Supreme Kai thing. His uniform. As you can see, he's a little bit bulky. And unlike his previous state, his clothes haven't ripped yet. Which is kind of good, actually. Because his Divine Order Injustice doesn't allow him to rip his clothes. But I gotta admit, this monkey, he looks kind of adorable. Okay, we're almost there. Okay. We're almost there. Next up, we just draw his arm, and, what was that? Probably nothing. Oh, there it is again. Maybe I should go check. Hello? Is anyone there? Okay, folks, we're having a little bit of difficulties, but, we should probably... Oh, God. Viewers, don't look. There's a great ape staring at me. Anyways, oh man, I can't take it! Take this! Wait, stop! Never mind. He wants to see me draw. I think that's Goku. Or Vegeta. That was just messing with you guys. Okay, here's his arm. Anyways, that was Goku and Vegeta playing a prank on me. They transformed into great apes, but to scare me. But, turns out it was a bit of a joke. Anyways, next up is his fighting belt. And, okay, next up are his thighs here. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his tail here. As you must know, every great ape has one. And, there we go. Okay, for the next part is the halo that sticks out of his back. So, that's how he uses the move Blades of Judgment. I wonder what that form will look like in his Oozaru form. Hey guys, what do you think? Bad idea? Oh. Okay. Anyways, we already know what happened to Zamasu. He transformed into that giant ether, and, they were a bit screwed. That is, until Zeno came in and erased Trunks' timeline. Pretty depressing, don't you think? But Whis and Beerus managed to alter the timeline. And, it's like it never happened. Anyways, that's done. And, there you go. That is how you draw Oozaru in his... That's how... That's how you draw Zamasu in his Oozaru form. If it ever came true. After all, Oozaru Zamasu is a Dragonball Xenoverse 2 exclusive character. So, he won't exactly be in the show. But, will be just fine. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. See you later. Okay, will you stop doing that, guys? It's driving me crazy. Oh, shoot. You gotta be kidding. Blades of Judgment! I will show you the power of divine wrath. Oh shoot, it's Zamasu. Viewers, you might want to stand back for this. This is gonna get ugly, so I'm gonna see you guys later and run for your